Welcome to Us Bike Pro. In this video, we look at the 2026 TVS XL 100 scooter, a rugged, no-nonsense two-wheeler built for practicality, economy, and everyday utility. Let's break down what makes this model stand out in its class. Core design and purpose. The TVS XL 100 isn't your typical performance scooter. It's designed primarily for utility and reliability with a simple, functional design that prioritizes ease of use and durability. Its step-through build and lightweight frame make it ideal for daily errands, delivery work, and commuting in busy environments. 91 wheels. Engine and performance. Under the body lies a 99.7 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, four-stroke engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering around 4.3 brake horsepower and 6.5 Newton-meters of torque. This setup ensures smooth, fuss-free operation with decent performance at everyday speeds, perfect for city traffic and short-distance rides. 91 wheels. Practical features and comfort. The XL 100 focuses on practicality. With a low seat height and lightweight curb weight, mounting is easy for all riders, and the automatic gear makes riding simple without gear shifts. Features like a USB charging port, analog console, and self-start enhance everyday convenience. 91 wheels. Fuel efficiency and economy. One of the biggest strengths of the XL 100 is fuel efficiency. It returns excellent mileage figures, often around 50 to 65 kmpl, keeping running costs low for daily use or commercial purposes. Its simple mechanicals also mean lower maintenance costs over time. Bike Deco. Utility and versatility. Beyond basic commuting, the TVS XL 100 is well suited for light cargo and delivery tasks, thanks to its sturdy build and generous load-carrying capacity. Riders who depend on their scooter for work will appreciate its reliability and practicality. Closing thoughts. The 2026 TVS XL 100 scooter remains a champion of function over flash. It's economical, dependable, and built for real-world use, an ideal choice for riders seeking simplicity.